Welcome to Cars and Coating. Today we're going to be replacing these windshield washer squirters, and if they don't squirt right, then they just kind of like dribble out. So we're going to replace them. So you just take this part here, pull down like that, and it comes off. Then you got a little clippy here, push down on the little clippy, comes right off, and then this pops off here and just kind of push it up both sides. Don't lose the clip. There you go, it just kind of hangs out there then, and then it comes right off, and you get the new one. Oh, what is it? Put it on like this, put the clip on, put this one on right there. So we got this clip on here, and then just put it back in here. There you go. Okay. All right, that's good. All right, try it. Oh yeah, okay. Get me nice and wet. All right.
All right. Perfect. Thank you, Papa.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this one, just check out the rest of my channel. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you. I'll have a link in the video description on where to buy the replacement parts. So check that out. Auf Wiedersehen.